Hello! It's the first Monday of the month, which means it's my monthly hero launch day for Hero Arts. Starting this month, I'll have a monthly video sharing a project I created using the kit. So let's get started. I fell hard for this beautiful Japanese-themed kit and loved the pretty cherry trees. I decided to try and create my version of some of the famous paintings and photographs showing a mountain, usually Mount Fuji, in the distance with a blossoming cherry tree in the foreground. First, I inked up the solid mountain layer from Color Layering Mountain at the lake with soft granite ink and used a baby wipe to blot some of the ink off the bottom of the stamp to soften the edge before stamping it onto an A2 panel of Strathmore Bristol cardstock. Then I repeated the process 2 more times with charcoal ink and another mountain stamped in soft granite. I dried the ink with my heat gun and then blended soft granite ink across the bottom of the panel to blend with the mountains. I also blended a little ink above the top mountain for a soft, hazy look. Then I applied a little charcoal ink and intensified black ink for even more contrast. Once that was dry, I stamped the second layer of the mountains with unicorn white pigment ink on the bottom and top mountain, and embossing ink on the middle mountain. I carefully applied white embossing powder to the embossing ink and heat embossed it. Next, I blended cotton candy and rose madder ink across the top of the panel, focusing the darkest colors on the edges of the panel. Once I was done blending, I stamped the bottom layer of the tree 3 times with cotton candy ink. Then I stamped the top layer twice with rose madder ink and once with red royal. I stamped the petals in a combination of cotton candy and rose madder ink. Finally, I stamped the sentiment with Intens-ified black ink to finish the card. It's not quite traditional, but I think it's a good version. And that's it. You can find links to my blog and all of the products I used in the YouTube description below. Make sure to check out the March My Monthly Hero kit and all of the add-ons over on my blog and leave a comment for a chance to win the $50 gift card to Hero Arts. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!